him more, that's fine. Follow my hand, yeah.
When you want content quality, there's one place I gotta be. Travel over land and overseas, watching the Delpratt family. The Delpratt family. The Delpratt family. The Delpratt family. The Delpratt family.
Yeah. Kai doing him 1 month baby shoot today.
I talk to a lot of people.
You know? Alright, guys. I have him 1 month baby shoot today.
That was whispering, guys. Seriously.
Photographer soon come and things, so we kind of organize this way. We are going to kind of look. I guess we can put
like a picture.
Sure, I guess we can put a picture what we are aiming for, right? We did really want, yeah, we did really want like a basket, but we never find none. But nonetheless,
we found planters.
Yeah, we did want them here anyway for the yard. In fact, I adapt me this originally. I say, yo, they may look reasonable because we see them at one store. I say, yo, they look reasonable, we can grab them and then can say, them can use for the shoot too. I say, alright, cool. So, problem solved, we not have to up and down and look for the basket. And then too, the basket, after the shoot, what we're going to do with the basket. You know? So, yeah, so basically,
we're arranging it. So,
him have him outfit. You guys will see the outfit later.
So what we're doing right here is that we're stuffing it up. Yes, we have cushions in it. We're trying to get it to be fluffy at the top. So he's going to put down the top.
I'm going to try to make it comfortable for him.
That's going to be his bed for the photo shoot.
Yeah, something like that. So Kaya gonna lie down on this. Kaya gonna lie down on this. He must sleep.
His belly's earthing him, so he's a light sleeper. So we are whisper. You know what it go? Baby run things until he get big and then we start run things again.
Cut out a couple of them things here to kind of see a little grass effect.
So you know we always try to be a little crafty in what we're doing. So we made full grass out of paper and we're just arranging it on the you know.
Yeah, we don't want less is best. We don't want too much in it. So just a few.
So the carrots too, we made carrots as well.
Then we see it when the shoot time come, man. Then we see what when the shoot time come.
This is a little bit of grass.
Yeah, a little bit. Yeah, we don't want too much. Oh yeah, fine. We show them. So like the carrots around. By the way, guys, Kyrie Easter baby, you know.
Yes.
That's an idea, by the way. So Kyrie Easter baby. So them have got an Easter theme.
Yeah, he's gonna be a bunny.
Him have him outfit, guys. So now seeing Easter bunny outfit. Right, guys. So stay tuned for all of that.
Yeah.
You know, as I said, the photographer soon come. So a mad thing, guys.
Yep.
A mad thing.
Morning, guys. How are you? So, there's a little part of our morning routine. So Kai is up, just gave him his bath. And never mind how I'm looking, like even giving Kai a bath is a full-on workout. But I'm gonna give him some breast milk and I'll clue you guys in on what's going on for the rest of the day. So it's a very exciting day though, because we're gonna be doing a photo shoot. So yeah, it's gonna be good.
Kai, I can't believe you make a force all that something by you. When the man say him so rich, you take a picture of them and they are do it up yourself.
Like literally, we just
appear right here.
We just put on this on him.
Jeez and peace.
And him never cry when it go on for him, because the last time I tried putting it on, him create one scene. So him put it on easy, but then him just don't do.
Jesus, so I go take off this now and change him. Alright, take two.
Take two.
Take two. Oh good. What is it, Kai? You be a good boy? Oh jeez. Look
Still
at
gotta-
that.
Yeah, still gotta change his dirty diapers. But
Yeah, him a move calm though.
yeah.
Yeah. What the puppy show? we take guy for fool, man, I tell you. Oh my god. Alright.
You look so fat on this tablet.
Look at
Is
Kyrie.
Hey.
Look at him.
Alright, so what, you want to try one more position?
God. Put him on him belly, make us see.
Yeah.
Him a move calm though.
I'll move calm and no, you see him still a try to do.
Yeah, don't carry change him now.
Yeah.
Try him on him belly.
To this baby, right? This guy right here vlogging, you know, you're nice to this baby. Alright, come model. You're a baby model for today. Alright, so let's go.
Make him kneel, yeah.
So this one is gonna
Look
be,
how you move calm though.
I'm telling you.
Put the foot them off as best as possible. You might move like a good boy though. Put this in this.
Wait.
How do we do these bunny ears now?
Yeah, yeah. And with one lesser. Yeah. Good. You might move nice.
This boy.
Yeah, Kai. What you mean?
Kyrie.
So when Kian come for him cool.
I hope so.
Him cool. So Jay, you have to zoom up my money. Lord, I get it around, you know. Oh, God. Bunny rabbit? Easter bunny rabbit. Alright, take him up.
Don't
Easter
cry,
bunny
don't
rabbit. Oh my God. Alright, come. Oh my God. Oh my
Why do people
God.
leave the dirty diaper on you during the photo shoot? Because he doesn't mind having a dirty diaper on, you
We
know.
could take him out. We'll change him. Yeah, we could change him.
But what if him do again?
Well, he's still trying to.
Mm-hmm.
He's still a try.
He cute. He look nice though. We pull off this thing here.
Yeah.
He's supposed to give you some nice pics.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And we got a great model.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh God.
Him look a one pack go on, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Him look a one.
Hey guys. Photographer forward. You know?
I try to create some magic and things.
Yeah.
And a carrot.
Hey.
Who will
Eh? Who be them? Them. Them be them man. Oh look.
Look nice, huh?
Yeah. Look on there calm and good and all of a sudden man miserable up himself now.
Yeah.
Lord God.
You have vlog before?
Little bit.
Yes.
You know?
Alright.
Over there watch some ball game, you know. Leicester Southampton match I start now.
Alright.
Hey. You not start yet. Hey, Leicester look for try. For show up for them third place in our league. Alright, let us see how this is gonna go. Touch and no trouble.
When you get this?
Some plant, you know. Price plant.
Oh, some plant? A plant?
For plant, because the basket, we go a couple places to find a basket.
Oh.
And then we buck up them here. We need them anyway for out in the garden. So after we done the shoot, I'm going to throw in some dirt and plant some plants that we have.
What you buy one for?
2,000 something.
Oh, no.
Yeah. So Jaden, what you do now? Paint this full black white.
I want to write something in the middle of it.
Write something in with color.
Yes.
Oh. It does they go hard with the paint them and waste them out. God, Jesus, please.
What must paint with it?
Huh?
What must paint with it?
What they must paint with it? Pictures. Or paint Kyrie. Paint Kyrie, yeah.
Alright.
Oh, Zin?
Oh, this one, them are my shots.
Yeah, okay.
But these are just when I'm sleeping though. We just get him to sleep or let him lie down and we'll just keep trying to sleep.
Yeah. I put him down, Uncle say go.
I'm wide open.
Kai, be a good boy, please. Alright.
I change color now.
Yeah.
Look at this masterpiece.
So what is this?
It's a boy.
It's a boy.
Yes.
How much I sell this for?
500,000.
500,000. You're rich. You're rich, you know. Oh jeez. Yeah, look bad, Jay. You go with that thing, man. A nice abstract piece, eh? Yeah. Give it a name. Write a name for the piece right there, so Jay then. So, yeah. Trying to get Kyrie to sleep now, you know? Yeah. So we can put him in the thing and start do what I do.
Yeah, 4-1.
Yeah. Evidence of milk.
You start grabbing like.
Yeah, man.
Him grab everything, man.
Long time. Alright.
Yeah.
Let's hope. Yeah, I guess I weed that, you know.
Yeah, so we're done now.
Yeah, man. You respect, is it? Yeah, guys. If you want a good photographer, wedding, what again? Tell them. Baby shower, gender reveal, all of them things there. Birthday,
Nice events.
property shoot, right? All of them things there. Link in the description, right? Kian, pretty photography in the description, guys. Yeah, man. So link up. All right. Yeah, man. Yeah. Hey, guys.
So,
So we're done with Kyrie photo shoot and now Zine. So we can do what we really did intend to do with the plant of them.
yeah. So Adrian's gonna hold the planters with dirt, and then we're gonna put these, right?
Yeah, them palm there.
So we're gonna put these palm into the planters, and yeah.
Yeah, guys, those palm, them in them little bag there for a long time, and because the roots them don't have enough space and enough soil, that's why them get yellow. But as soon as I put them in the planters,
Yeah.
as soon as I put them in the planters and water them, give them, you know, everything what them need, them all get green and pretty and fluffy. So that's how we depend.
Yup.
Yeah. Not put too much. About that. Oh, we have to cut up that one here.
Papa, we should put some more.
Huh?
Papa, we
we
should
not
put some
too
more.
much. We not put too much.
So guys, we've been wanting to get some planters for a good while. We wanted to find the ones that we liked. First we wanted to get some that was what, wine barrel kind of style. First we wanted those. It took us a little while, but we didn't know where to find it initially. So we're just really happy that we found this right now, and this is a similar style to what we wanted to. So although we didn't get the wine barrel ones that we wanted, we got these, and these are a lot more economical, trust me. Wine barrel ones would have been a lot more expensive.
This here is like them an organic manure, so compost, quart dust, soil. You see it here? Consistency here.
Yeah.
So I'll just put the dirt with it. Woo! I use a shovel.
Yeah, use a shovel. It's a strong man. Use a shovel. My neighbor broke your back. So guys, we have to be using topsoil over here, and Adrian got soil from elsewhere. So he's in a combination of soil, the potting soil, sorry, and additional soil that he got from elsewhere. The ground here is not very, yes, it's horrible.
Guys, actually, you know, the land was a very lush land. What I do recently, I put some topsoil on it, right? So the grass actually now grow through the topsoil, right? It'll come up back fluffy and green and pretty,
Yeah.
you know? Because before it was kind of getting a little brown, and like no matter how you water it, it just kind of brownish, right? So we just get some topsoil and throw and allow the grass to come through, so it'll come nice and pretty now, guys, you know?
Yep. Where Adrian called it, what, a road, mate?
Yeah.
So he's taking it off of the little thingy.
Yeah.
Oh, like
So-
no wonder it wasn't growing.
Yeah. Yeah, so the roots can expand before.
Yeah.
So now, them are going this, them are going to do much better now. Them are do much better.
I can only imagine, because look at the small casing on them. You know? So we're gonna put the other plant tonight first. And two I put tonight.
Yeah. Oh shit, yeah. Real. Why?
What would he do without me?
Yeah, but that's what I told them I put tonight. Two in each. Yeah, so this is where we are so far, guys, with this, right? So we're going to some progress update with these post-transplant, but so you can see the progress of them, you know? Alright, so yeah, I know them not look so 100 now. right? But as I say, because the root them never have enough soil, they have enough space. So, right, water then I know one thing. Alright. Right.
So guys, thank you very much for joining us today. As you can see, we had a very full day.
Yeah man, whole heap of events, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah guys, thanks for watching as always. Them and them dirty, pardon me.
Like
thanks for watching guys. Alright. Yeah,
Bye,
remember to hit
guys.
the like button.
Remember to give us a subscription. So if you haven't subscribed already, subscribe now. Alright? Other great content is there. So go through our playlist and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time we post a video. Ensure the setting is on all guys.
Yeah guys. Alright,
See
peace
ya.
out.
Bye.